Earlier during question hour, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today told the State Assembly that the government would share the details of the Memorandum of Understanding signed with Assam on the boundary resolution.
So I've already made a statement based on the MOU a few days back. So obviously I've shared all the information that could be shared. And as I said, sir, the MOU, once we go to Delhi, there is a strong possibility that while we sign that MOU, the forest department or some other department may come forward and say that, well, this cannot be done. So therefore, you'll have to remove this line and bring it here. You have to create a buffer zone. So we don't know those micro details is what I'm trying to say. But if you look at the overall, the statement that I gave that day in the House, sir, and which I've laid it on the table of the House, it covers the broad understanding that we have reached to. I'm talking about micro details of 0.05 meters, 0.05 meters here or there, which are really micro. Yes, it's important, but as I said, I would think that it would not be appropriate to give those kind of details in the House till all the concerned stakeholders and the Government of India, everybody is on board and we finalize it. But I think my statement that I made, not I think, sir, the statement that I made on Monday is the broad outcome of the MOU that we signed.
Sir, in the course of the reply of the Honorable CM and the written reply, we're getting two different replies. One, the written reply says that the MOU was already signed on 29th of January 2022. And in the course of the reply of the Honorable CM, it is being said that the MOU will still be finalized again in Delhi. So, which one is correct, sir?
Sir, of course, I have to define the process for the honourable member, as he may not understand that. So, memorandum of understanding is a memorandum of understanding. There's an understanding between the two. Then there will be a final agreement that we will sign. So, therefore, these are two different things. But for the sake of the clarity, I thought I'll explain.
Yes, sir. That makes it more clear then, because we are talking of an MOU and then a final agreement that will be signed. Now, that's why, sir, we are asking for the details of the MOU, since it has already been signed, so to make it public, sir. That is just a request, sir. It depends on the Honorable CM if he feels it fit or not.
Sure, sir. I have noted his request, sir.